হাইকোর্টের শপথ গ্রহণ অনুষ্ঠান সরাসরি চোখ রাখবো।
May I have your lordship's leave to read out the warrant of appointment issued by His Excellency the President of India to appoint Sri Siddhartha Rai Chaudhary to be an additional judge of Calcutta High Court.
Yes, please.
Thank you, Lordship. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 224 of Constitution of India, I, Ramnath Kovind, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Siddhartha Rai Chaudhary to be an additional judge of Calcutta High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office till 27th December 2023. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 31st day of May in the year of 2022, 10th Jyeshtha, 1944 Saka, in the 73rd year of the Republic of India, Ramnath Kovind, President of India. May I now most humbly request to the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office to Sri Siddhartha Rai Chaudhary as an additional judge of the High Court at Calcutta.
I, Siddhartha Rai Chaudhary, having been appointed an additional judge of the High Court at Calcutta, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
May I request Learned Advocate General to deliver his address.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, Assistant Solicitors General, the Registry, President and Secretary Bar Library Club, President and Secretary Bar Association, Vice President and Secretary Incorporated Law Society, members of the Bar, family and guests of Justices Dutt and Roy Chaudhary. it gives me great pleasure to welcome Justice Shampa Dutt Paul and Justice Siddhartha Roy Choudhury as judges of this honorable court. I can assure you that the members of the bar are delighted with your appointment. Our High Court is more than 150 years old and has a proud and enviable legacy. It has
as a perfect bridge in inculcating the Samanjasya principle to balance the Roman jurisprudence and the Mimamsa principles. And with time, this court has created history, being the oldest institution insofar as the high courts are concerned, which were constituted under the High Courts Act. Now, India, being a signatory to the Universal Declaration on Human Rights, had adopted the same in the Constitution of India. And these rights flows directly from the Magna Carta. This august institution, the Honorable High Court at Calcutta, is the preserver of civil liberties and the interpreter of the Constitution. And I am sure and confident that it will be a pleasure and privilege for the members of the bar and all of us to have your lordships in such process to advance the cause of justice. I welcome the Honorable Justice Shampa Dutt Paul and the Honorable Justice Siddhartha Roy Choudhury as honorable judges of this honorable court, and extend my warm greetings, as well as on behalf of the learned advocates of the Union of India and myself, I welcome your lordships.
Thank you, sir. May I request the Secretary, Bar Library Club to deliver his speech.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges of our High Court, the learned Advocate General, the learned Additional Assistant Solicitor Generals, the President and the Secretary of the Bar Association, the President and the Secretary of the Incorporated Law Society, my brothers and sisters in the profession, the family members of Honorable Shampa Dutt Paul and Honorable Justice Siddhartha Roy Choudhury, the members of the registry. As my Lord, the Honorable Justice Shampa Dutt Paul and Siddhartha Roy Choudhury may know that our High Court is the oldest High Court in this part of the world. I represent the Bar Library Club, which was originated in the year 1825, being the oldest association of the lawyers of this part of the world. The members of the Bar Library Club are delighted and elated with the appointments of both your lordships. The members of the Bar Library Club, through me, pledged all cooperation to the honorable judges so that the dignity and the integrity of our institution may rise. With these words, I, on behalf of the members of the Bar Library Club, do greet both Honorable Justice Shampa Dutt Paul and Honorable Justice Siddhartha Roy Choudhury to this august institution. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I request the President, Bar Association to deliver his speech.
My Lord, the Chief Justice and other honorable judges of the court and other dignitaries present, I welcome on behalf of the Bar Association the two judges. We have already written to the Prime Minister of India that know why the names of the members of the Bar Association and Bar Library Club, although it is before the law minister, has not been sent on 25th March. We are happy that new judges are appointed, but the fact is this, that the Bar Association and Bar Library members, those who are in Incorporated Law Society, those who practice in this court, they are being neglected. We welcome the two learned judges. Shampa Dutt Paul was the junior to late Advocate Bolai Chandra Rai. So I welcome her and also the other learned judge. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I request the Assistant Secretary, Incorporated Law Society to deliver his speech.
the Honorable Chief Justice and brother judges here, my lord. The leader of the Bar, Advocate General, the Assistant Solicitor Generals, the President and the Secretary of the Bar Library Club, President, Vice President and Secretary of the Bar Association, and my learned friends here. We welcome, a very warm welcome to the judges, Honorable Judge Shampa Dattopal and Honorable Judge Siddhartha Rai Chaudhary. I represent